Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to check the keywords that are ranking in your website. Here you can go and you can type website ranking checker. So here you can see these are the different websites where you can go and check your website. So this one is also a perfect website, and simply you can go and create a free account. So after that you can copy your website link and then add here. Next website is this one, sitechecker.pro. You can also do the same thing. Simply go and copy, and after that add the URL here. Then click on check ranking. So now it is analyzing a complete website, and now here you can see it is generating all the results. So this keyword is ranking at the position 52 and searches are 320, and here you can check the traffic cost. So in this way you can easily analyze your website free of cost, and you can check keywords that are ranking in your website.